All right, welcome back, subscribers, clickers, bell clickers, followers, all that good stuff. I'm Josh with Badass Buggy Builders. We're bringing you today to this 2021 Polaris RZR XP 1000. Bringing you on over here to this thing today to put in a windshield. Our friends at A and UTV Pro contacted us and wanted us to do a review and an install on a flip out windshield, fully flip out windshield. So we're going to put that in today, do a little demonstration on how to put it in, instruction video on how to put it in, and a quick product review on what we think. If you don't mind, let's go ahead and get it out of the way. Hit that thing down below where you can subscribe to our channel. We appreciate all the help. It helps us continue to grow this channel. Hit the bell for notifications so you get our updates every week. We usually come out with new videos once a week, sometimes twice a week. We have some shorts in there as well. And also give us a thumbs up, all that good stuff. Without further ado, here comes the windshield. We'll bring that in here right now. A and UTV Pro reached out to us a couple months ago. We've done several of their products. We like them so far. I love everything they offer us. Super nice people, very easy to deal with, real friendly, very fast shipping on everything we get. We will, all their stuff is packaged very well. We'll get this thing over on the table and we'll get it opened up and we'll start installing it on this machine right here and see how it goes. I'll see you at the table. All right, here we go. Coming out with it. All right, we got a box inside a box. Can never go wrong with a box inside a box. Yep. This is going to double as knife safety week too. Good Lord. After I cut my fingers, my phalanges off. All right, there we go. So it looks like we got upper windshield, the lower piece, because it is a two-piece windshield, lower piece, and then all of your hardware. All your hardware here, your little gasket that goes on it, clamps that goes on your roll bar, your handle, and good old instructions right there, I bet you. Oh, it's a Ziploc after I rip them. There we go. So here's all your instructions. There you go. So without further ado, we'll get started. These things have these rubbers bushing, well, spacers already in here. When you put them on that roll cage, it won't allow that to close up enough to sandwich that down. So we took 3 of the 4, leaving that 4th one in there just for grip so it wouldn't slide up and down the roll cage, and they fit perfect. So we just took you take a pocket knife and pop them out, and that allows it to sandwich down there and still be tight enough so it doesn't move up and down.
I didn't work my whole life just to give it away. I didn't think I'd donate every cent that I made. I didn't want for nothing, now there's nothing to my name anymore. No, no. I used to keep my tackle in the passenger seat. I used to have a dog who only answered to me. Thought I was really something, now there's some things I can barely afford. Well, I fell for a thief, she even took my name, and damned if I'm sure. Oh, yeah.
This goes on the frame like that, and this goes here, and this bolt here, which fits in this hole here, it's a bigger bolt. It's only one. There's only a couple of them like this. They fit in that hole right there. Correct threads, correct bolt. However, on this bracket for your lower windshield piece, this will not fit in that. So we're going to have to drill out these holes a little bigger. So this will require you to drill out the hole. I don't know if these come off the assembly line, didn't get the holes drilled out just right. We're going to have to drill this hole out. Open this up so this bolt will go through it. Like I said, it will go into here, but it won't go through that. And this bolts in to that, so to hold the lower bracket up. So there you go. So we put this on here for the windshield clamp. The bracket handle locks into that.
Hey, check out what Nita just sent me.
Oh, we need to put the seal on here.
And got gas.
Okay, so there's that seal put on there. Now we're ready to set this up here and bolt it up. Now you have to use these special washers they put on here, the rubber on them, for where the bolts go through the windshield and come in contact with the windshield.
Well, I've been writing songs my whole life. Then the world got sick of story time. Gonna give the new shit a try, where nothing really matters long as it all rhymes. Scoot to the left, scoot to the right, girls. Here's a part where you show off your backside. Now do a two-step back like you out there living that rock star life. Oh, oh, here's a part where the song is different. Damn, this slaps this finger licking. Do a little wiggle, then dip to the side. Hop up in the truck, it's country time.
I think I'm digging this.
Hey, how about a few more words? I'm about to hit you with a second verse. Oh, what, it's about to end.
Thank God.
Hey, yo, just go to the chorus again. Scoot to the left, scoot to the right, girls. Here's a part where you show off your back.
Here's how that fits over on the side. Try to get some views, no glare, and I'll get a view from the back. Bracket bolts to the side, the two bolts come in. The bracket bolts from the inside and holds it like that. Just wanted to get a good view of that so you can see how it works. And before we put it on there, we put the piece right here for your lock.
What size were you making this in? Lazy yellow moon coming up tonight, shining through the trees. Crickets are singing and lightning bugs are floating on the breeze. Baby, get ready. Across the field where the creek turns back by the old stone road, I'm gonna take you to a special place that nobody knows. Baby, get ready. Ooh, ooh. You and me going fishing
little story about how I was raised. Everyday work, everyday pray. God, family, friends, yeah, everybody sins. A winner never quits and a quitter never wins. Help folks in need, don't fall for greed. A jealous man is weak, so think before you speak. If you love them, let them know. If you hate, let it go. Fast can be fun, but sometimes you need slow. God is all good, the devil is so real. So listen up, y'all, cause this is how I feel.
I won't back up, I don't back down. I've been raised up to stand my ground. Take my job, but not my guns. Tax my check till I ain't got none.
Handle. Mount your handle on here using the provided hardware. You got a bolt and a lock nut. Putting a bolt on the outside and a lock nut on the inside. Yep.
Got a gypsy soul, I'm a rebel and rogue, and I'm always on the run. With a fire inside, I ain't ever gonna die, I'm a locked and loaded gun. When the match is striking the gasoline lights, it's only just begun. One thing I learned is you could watch it all burn, but the flame ain't ever done. Raise 'em up a little higher, your lighters, outlaws and outsiders.
Some call me a renegade, the enemy. Throw your hands up if you feel the same. Oh, living life at the edge. Just say
So it's installed now, but some of these things, for example, open this up. This one here is the shock bracket. The instructions don't tell you, but this bolt here will go through both these holes. But you need the bigger one facing the windshield, and then the small one for the shock bracket to go through, and that lines up. And here on this one here is the exact opposite. The big one faces this way, and the small one goes up on this one here. That way, this allows for this sleeve to go. This bolt here that has got a sleeve in it to go through, so that we can pivot on that, because that pivots on that. So they don't tell you that, but pay attention, and you pay attention when you're putting it together, and you'll notice it. The way this one goes, this one can only go one way. However this one goes the opposite way. All right, so that concludes our video install for this A and UTV Pro flip-up windshield for this 2021 XP 1000. We did have to make some modifications. There are some things that don't quite line up, and you've seen that earlier in the video where there was 2 holes we had to drill. Other than that, everything went in pretty smoothly. The top glass looks like it's scratch resistant. This bottom one, not so much scratch resistant. You can scratch it just by using your hands and cleaning a smudge off or something. You'll scratch the bottom piece, but you don't really see out the bottom piece that much anyway. But the top seems to be scratch resistant. So it opens up. You've got a vent. Click it one time. You got a vent here where air comes through there, and you can open up all the way. Just let it go, and it opens up all the way, so you get full airflow.
Nice.
On a scale of 1 to 10, as far as difficulty level, what would you say, Kenny? Maybe a 5, 4,
6, 10 hardest.
10 being the hardest.
Probably 4 or 5.
So yeah, 4 or 5. Yeah, you do have to. There is some, like I said, there is some modifications you do have to make a few on, but nothing major. Nothing major. If you got a drill, you can handle it. All you got to have is a drill and a few tools, or average hand tools, and you're good to go. Drill and a drill bit, and you're good to go. That's about it. Like and subscribe, please, and also remember, if you go to get this windshield or any other products from A and UTV Pro, if you'll go to the bottom of the page on there, there should be a place where you can enter a discount code, coupon code, put in Badass Buggy Builders, and you'll get a 10% discount on all your purchases. Thank y'all very much. Appreciate it. Happy trails.